Hi, is velocity a good metric or a vanity metric? Let's try to understand this very objectively. Before we get into answering that question, let's understand what velocity is. If you look at physics, velocity is measured as displacement by time taken. Some or the other way we inherited this definition in Scrum Teams. We used to say, for example, velocity is equal to number of story points burned across the sprint. So, if you look at the real ways of measuring velocity, number of story points burned by the team across the sprint length is what teams are using to calculate this. Is it really useful? Yes, in only one situation. If you are using velocity to forecast the amount of work that the teams can do, it could be a helpful metric for the teams. However, if you use velocity as a metric to measure value, there you got into the trap. Velocity is not an indication of the amount of value that you are delivering to the clients or your customers. Velocity is just an indication of how fast your teams are moving. If you are going to set targets to your team that they got to move faster, moving faster does not equate to delivering value. So be mindful. If you are using velocity for value, that's a trap. If you are using velocity only for forecasting, it might be a useful metric. Please subscribe to our channel for more such insights. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Thank you.